About this item: weatherproof emergency sleeping bag, emergency thermal blanket, is an essential tool to ensure you stay alive in an emergency by keeping warm and safe from snow, wind, rain, or other natural disasters. You can also cut these into a poncho liner if you need to be more mobile, or cut open into an emergency shelter, survival tarp. Possible uses for the Paracord, around 16, first aid such as a tourniquet, aid in hanging a shelter or outdoor blanket, make a snare trap. Use the high decibel survival whistle to alert rescue teams to your location. Hiking essentials: the emergency whistle may aid in turning a bear away from you. Beat the odds when stranded in cold weather using the emergency bivy sack. The waterproof blanket reflects 90% body heat, helping you stay warm and retain heat to prevent hypothermia. Add this to your survival gear: camping gear, car emergency kit, prepper supplies, bushcraft gear, emergency survival kit, go bag emergency backpack, or bug out bag supplies. Mylar blankets are made of extra thick 26 PE, more than twice the thickness of a space blanket, making it more tear and puncture resistant. Measuring at 84x36, these can accommodate most people. Potentially two-person sleeping bag if very petite or children. Camping